Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're taking a look at Tobio's watercolor kit, which is marketed as a super portable, beginner-friendly watercolor set. The site presents it as a fun little kit you can take anywhere, perfect for painting in a cafe, while traveling, or just sketching on the go. The kit usually includes a small watercolor palette, a few water brushes, a mini notebook, and a digital guide that teaches the basics of watercolor painting. From what I've seen online, a lot of people like how compact and convenient the kit is, especially for casual artists or beginners. The paints themselves are generally described as student grade, so they're not professional level quality. But for travel sketches or light practice, most reviewers say they work just fine. The included notebook paper is decent, although if you use heavy washes, the paper can start to buckle a bit. One area where there are some complaints is customer service. A few buyers mention slow responses and shipping delays, which suggests the experience with the company can be a bit hit or miss. Overall, the product itself seems fun and practical, especially if you want a simple watercolor kit that's easy to carry around. Just keep in mind that it's more of a casual art set than a professional one. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews.